Every afternoon, around the same time, your energy drops, your focus disappears, your body feels heavy, your brain slows down. Most people think this means they are lazy. It doesn't. This crash has a reason, and once you understand it, you can fix it. The afternoon energy crash happens to almost everyone: students, office workers, people working from home. It is not a motivation problem. It is not a willpower problem. It is a rhythm problem. Your body does not run on constant energy. It follows a daily pattern: high in the morning, lower in the afternoon, higher again in the evening. This drop is built in. The problem starts when this natural dip becomes extreme. That is when you feel completely drained. There are three main reasons. First, heavy meals. Big lunches pull energy toward digestion. Less energy remains for thinking. Second, sitting too long. Long sitting slows circulation. Your brain gets less oxygen. Third, poor sleep rhythm. When sleep timing is off, afternoon fatigue becomes worse. None of this means you lack discipline. Many people fight the crash with caffeine. It works for a short time, but caffeine does not create energy. It borrows it. Later, the crash becomes deeper. That is why the afternoon feels harder every day. You don't need more motivation. You need small adjustments. First, eat lighter at lunch. Smaller meals mean less energy loss. Second, move for 2 minutes. Stand up, walk, stretch. Movement resets circulation. Third, stop fighting the dip. Do lighter work during this time. Save heavy thinking for when energy naturally rises again. The afternoon crash is not a personal failure. It is a signal. Work with your energy, not against it. Once you stop fighting the dip, your days become easier.